gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Honor 200 just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate OLED display, mid-segment 5G processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you the review of Honor 200 in this video. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's start with the design. The phone is available in Moonshadow White, as well as 3 other color options: pink, black, and blue. The white color looks very attractive and shows different patterns under different lighting conditions and angles. The camera module has a design similar to the Honor 100 Pro, with a symmetrical shape this time. Overall, the phone feels good in the hand. The phone isn't very heavy, weighing only 187 grams, and it's 7.7 millimeters thick, making it comfortable to hold with one hand. The Honor 200 features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 50 megapixel selfie camera and a central punch hole. The screen is quad curved with narrow bezels, and it's micro curved, so even if you prefer a flat screen, the Honor 200 is a good option. It feels very nice to use. The screen also features upgraded Oasis eye protection, a 3840 high PWM dimming frequency, natural light eye protection, and 360-degree adaptive dimming. In short, the screen offers top-level eye protection. Additionally, it has a sleep aid display function. The screen quality is excellent, with a peak brightness of 4000 nits, ensuring great visibility even in extremely bright environments. The screen supports 1.07 billion colors, providing natural colors, and has a 100% DCI-P3 wide color gamut. The phone also features dual stereo speakers, enhancing the multimedia experience, whether you're watching movies, series, or gaming. The Honor 200 series focuses more on the camera this time, using filters from a famous photographer. Talking about the camera, the phone has a primary 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 main camera with dual image stabilization and various AI features, including the AI light and shadow portrait engine. There is also a secondary 50 megapixel Sony IMX856 sensor, which is a telephoto lens supporting 50x digital zoom. It's the first Sony sensor to support 2.5x optical zoom with portrait mode. The telephoto camera also has OIS and EIS dual stabilization support. Additionally, there's a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera that also functions as a macro lens. The front has a 50 megapixel SLR level camera lens. You can see sample photos taken in Yahoo Vividly, Yahoo Elegant, and Yahoo Classic portrait modes, which show impressive effects. There are also portrait photo samples captured in both low light and sunlight, demonstrating the camera's capability in various conditions. In the photos, skin tones look natural, and the bokeh effects are also natural. While the HDR algorithm could use some improvement, landscape photos turn out very well, and night photos are also quite good. You can also check out photos taken with the telephoto lens. Thanks to dual image stabilization, the images are very clear. Compared to the previous generation, there's noticeable improvement. You can see sample photos taken at 2.5x, 30x, and 50x zoom levels. In terms of performance, the Honor 200 features a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and runs on Magic OS 8, which is based on Android 14. The phone operates very smoothly in daily use without any lag, providing a great user experience. For gaming, it performs well, playing King of Glory at 120 frames per second for 30 minutes. It maintains an average frame rate of 119 frames per second. The game runs smoothly on medium settings. Additionally, the phone has an ultra-thin wide-area stainless steel Bionic VC heat dissipation system for effective cooling. The Honor 200 also has good cooling control during gaming. As for the battery, it has a 5,200 mAh capacity, lasting easily for 1 to 1.5 days. It comes with a 100-watt charger that charges the battery to 60% in just 15 minutes and fully charges it in about 35 minutes. Additional features include NFC support and an infrared remote. The base variant of the Honor 200 is priced at 2699 Chinese yuan, which is about £297 in the UK or $380 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone has a superb display, a good design, is lightweight, and has an outstanding camera. You won't have to wait long, as it is set to launch in the global market next month. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos, well as me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Don't let somebody take